In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn on live caption on Chrome. The first thing you do is from your Chrome browser. So you click on these three dots at the top right corner, scroll down to settings, this option here, click on it, and then under accessibility, click on accessibility. This is it. You can see live caption, that's the first option. So it's off right now, you turn it on. Now what this means is that it will automatically create captions for supported languages. Audio will never leave your device too. So you can choose supported live caption languages, so that Chrome can create and translate captions for the languages you showed there. I showed here. Right now you can see we have English as the default, 100%, and you can see hide profanity. If you don't want profanity, you can simply turn it on. And then here you can add more languages by clicking on add languages, choose the ones you want, and then tap on add. That is how to turn on live captions on Chrome. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.